Tutorial will help you on how to sell Bitcoin on CashApp mobile.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Open up the CashApp app. Step is to go to the bottom hand screen and next to the cash and the timer clock icon, the magnifying glass. Here you should be underneath the Discover tab. Click search bar in Bitcoin, one word, and see underneath results you should see the first option, Bitcoin. In order to view or even to sell, the Bitcoin cryptocurrency or this asset, as you can see, you want to roll down until you see the option sell, buy, and transfer or send or receive. You can see you can sell different types of Bitcoin, or should I say the amounts, the $8, $16, $23, etc. You can click here to change the order type. See, you can customly sell an order at the price that you would like. You can even move this anywhere on the line, wherever you would like to set the price of Bitcoin. 150,000. After you're satisfied, you can click set for free.